Hello children, how are you all? Are you all enjoying science? Yes or no? Yes, all this time by now we have come to our last lesson. That is lesson number 15 of our science textbook. Yes, we have done all the previous lessons, lesson number 1 to 14, and now we are in our last lesson, lesson number 15, looking up. Now, come on, the name itself of the lesson tells you, looking up. Now, you all must be in your house. So, you look up and see what you can see. Ceiling, fan, tube lights, yes or no? Yes. Now, you go out of your house and you in the daytime, what do you see? In the daytime, if you go out, what do you see? Yes, the clouds, sun, sky, blue, yes or no? Yes, and in the night time if you go out, what do you see? The moon and the twinkling stars. Yes, so that's what we are going to learn today. We are going to learn the sun, the moon and the stars. So there are few things we need to know about them. So are you all ready? Okay, so come on, let's start. And first we will see about the sun. Yes, you all see your textbooks and you all see the video and you will come to know. Yes, the sun. In the morning when you get up, the sun rises, and at night before you go to sleep, the sun sets. Yes, and what is the shape of the sun? It is round. Yes, have you all have drawn a scenery? Yes, in that what shape of sun do you all draw? Round sun, yes, and the rays coming out of it, yes? Yes or no? Yes, and when the sun shines very brightly, which type of day it is? We have learned this in previous lesson. Come on, tell me. Yes, it is a sunny day, and on rainy days you all cannot see the sun. You all can see the dark clouds and the rain. Yes or no? Yes, very good children. Now you see the shape of the sun is round and it is big or small? No, it is not small children. We are very far from the sun, so we can see a small sun. But in reality, it is a very big ball of fire. Yes, it is a big ball of fire. You cannot go near the sun. If you go near the sun, it gives you extreme amount of heat. Yes, and you might burn yourselves also. So, sun is a big ball of fire. It is round in shape and it is very far from us. Yes, it is very hot also, and whenever there is sun you feel warm. On cold days, if there is sun shining, you don't feel cold, you feel warm. Yes or no? Yes, and the sun rises in the east every morning and sets itself in west. There are 4 directions children: east, west, north and south. So you ask your parents which direction is east, which direction is west, which is north and which is south. And you remember the sun always rises in the east and sets in the west. Yes, in the morning the sun rises and in the evening the sun sets. Yes, so come on, let's read. The sun is round. It is a big ball of fire. It is very hot. The sun makes our day warm and bright. Yes, there is natural light when there is sun shining. Yes, you don't need to put on tube lights. Yes or no? Yes. The sun rises in east every morning and sets in the west in the evening. Now we have seen about sun. Next we will see is, come on, what type of sky we will see now? Night sky. Yes? Okay. Now when the sun sets, it becomes dark. Yes, you need to put on tube lights. The natural light you will not get. Yes, and in the night what do you see? Moon. Very good children. The moon is round in shape. Yes, yes, it keeps on changing its shapes every day, but in reality it is round in shape. Okay, and when you see the half of its original shape, that is round, but you see it only half, then what type of moon that is? Yes, half moon. Yes, and then you once in a month you can see that thin curved line. What is that type of moon called? Yes, crescent moon. Okay, so you remember, whenever there is full moon, you call it a full moon day. Whenever you can see a half moon, that is half moon day. And whenever you see that crescent curved line, that is thin curved line, that is a crescent moon. Okay, so these type of shapes, it keeps on changing. First 15 days the shapes will increase, and the next 15 days the shapes will decrease. Okay, and the moon, but in reality, is round in shape, and it is smaller than the sun. Okay, the sun is big, but the moon is little smaller than the sun. So come on, let's read. The moon shines at night. It is smaller than the sun. The moon is round also, but it changes its shape every day. When the moon is bright and round, it is full moon. When the moon looks half of its original shape, it is half moon. And a thin curved line is crescent. Yes. Now, after moon, we will see the stars. Yes. We can see stars also at night. Yes or no? Yes. There are so many stars in the sky. Can you all count the stars? No, there are millions and billions of stars in the sky. Yes, they look small because we are far from them, but they are very big in size. When you grow up and you become astronauts, you go to space and see the stars are very big. Yes, and they twinkle at night. Yes or no? That poem, do you all remember? Twinkle, twinkle, little stars? Yes, the stars twinkle at night. So children, here we finish our lesson. Very short lesson. Yes or no? Yes. So now when you all see the sun, moon and stars, you all remember these things. Okay? So bye children. See you in the next video.